Naseem, I think you're 19 years old. What do you think of a 40-year-old bowling for England in James Anderson, and what was your impression of his career over the last 20 years, even longer than you've been alive?
I think it's a very big achievement because I'm a fast bowler, so I know how much hard fast bowling is, and he's the legend. So I think he did a lot of hard work, and we learn a lot of things from him. And whenever we meet, we discuss something. So that's, I mean, big thing for him. I mean, we learn this thing. He's still playing like. I think he's 40-year-old and he's still playing and he's still fit. So you can you can think like how much he's doing hard work, and
And how impressed are you with the skills that he's got? I mean, he talked that he doesn't quite have the pace that he used to, or the pace that you've got, but he has other skills. What do you think of the skills that he has?
I have just 30% English. My English is finished now. Okay.
Sorry. What do you think of his ability to move the ball off the seam, in the air, swing?
I told you he's the legend. He know everything, and he know about bowling, how to take wickets, because he playing a lot of cricket.